This 2024 Newmar Kountry Star 4011, wheelchair accessible, is a diesel pusher RV. It is located in Winter Garden, FL 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 40 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Brunswick Decor, Glacier Glazed Maple Cabinetry interior, sleeps 4, smoke detector, air conditioning, Skylight, self-contained, external shower, Colorado Detector, stove top burner, TV antenna, leveling jacks, LP detector, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this diesel pusher features front entertainment, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment, 2 entry, exit doors. This 2024 Newmar Kountry Star 4011, wheelchair accessible, is built on a Freightliner XCR chassis and is powered by a Cummins B6.7 360 HP engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.